Welcome to our guide on how to sign up for LinkedIn, the world's largest professional networking platform. Open the LinkedIn app on your smartphone. On the LinkedIn app home screen, tap on Agree and Join. You can also sign up using your Google account and your Facebook account. Enter your personal information such as your first name, last name, email address, and create a strong password for your LinkedIn account. Complete your profile adding details like your location, job title, company name, and educational background. Upload a professional profile picture directly from your smartphone's camera or choose one from your photo library and click on Next. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email account. Go and verify it. Now choose any one of the alternative you are interested in and click on Next. Again, click on Next. Again, start connecting with professional by importing your contacts from your phone's address book or searching for specific people. You can also follow companies and influencers in your industry to stay informed about news, trends, and job opportunities. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up for LinkedIn using your smartphone. You're now part of a global professional network that can help you advance your career and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful in getting you started on LinkedIn from your smartphone. Happy networking!